Hola padres, welcome parents. Bienvenidos a la clase de español de la señora Diers. This presentation is for all my students who are in my regular class and in my honors class. Again, this is Senora Diers, your child's Spanish teacher. Alright, so I'm going to talk about a little bit about me. De donde soy? Where am I from? I'm from Peru in South America, and I moved here when I was 19 years old. I started my career a little late. I stayed home with my kids, and then I used to teach AP Spanish at Copec High School, and then I came to Floyd, which I love very much, and I worked at the high school for 2 years, and then I made the decision to transfer to the middle school. Teaching middle school is it has been my dream since I became a teacher, and I definitely love teaching. Alright, this is my family. I have 3 kids, so I completely understand, what everyone is going through with this beautiful, time that, we are living. Just like you parents, I'm busy with my kids being, half in school, half home. I have a 7-year-old, I have a 13-year-old, and I have a 16-year-old. And we all just trying to do the best we can. Alright, so why is it important to learn Spanish? It's obvious that, we live in a society where knowing another language is very important, especially Spanish. So I will try to, teach your children vocabulary and things that they can do to succeed. And, I want to talk about culture. I want them to know that it's more than what they see. It's many different cultures out there. So I'm excited, and they already started learning, and I hope they get to practice their Spanish with you. Alright, so a little bit about our curriculum. And I tell the kids, your children, at the very beginning too. We do a 2-year curriculum in 1 year. Unfortunately, most kids on Long Island start taking a foreign language in 6th or 7th grade. We start in 8th grade. So in order for me to get the students ready for next year, I do a 2-year program in 1 year. That means I go very fast. I'm sure that at one point, your children are going to tell you that I go fast. I don't mean to do that. I try to reteach things, but unfortunately, I know I go fast. So I tell the kids to always be prepared. So at the end of the year, they do get to take a Checkpoint A exam. And if they pass my class in the exam, they get to earn a high school credit. So they can automatically transfer it into the high school. Alright, so a couple of my expectations. My hagan ahoras. If you ask your children what are the hagan ahoras, they're going to tell you that that's the do now. They come into class and they're expected to be in their seats doing their hagan ahora the minute they walk into my class. It's not one time that they don't have a do now on the board. So I'm sure you're already familiar with Canvas. When the kids are in class with me, they're getting their grades from me in the classroom. And if you kids are at home, they're getting the grades from Canvas. So it is very important that when they're with me in class, they don't have to do Canvas work. But when they're home, they have to do Canvas every single day they are home. They're expected. I give them do nows and work every single day. So it's not one time that they're going to tell you they have nothing to do. The only time they don't have Canvas work to do for me is when they come into class. So if your child comes to class Monday and Tuesday, he or she is not doing work on Canvas. They will be doing work Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. And if your child comes in Thursday and Friday, they will be required to do work Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday on Canvas. It is important. Please practice speaking with them. Ask them questions. The Google Meet. I've been logging into Google Meet every day, and I have not had one person. The Google Meet link, it's on Canvas, and you can just click on it and enter the nickname Spanish Diers. Alright, the midterm and final, that's what I said at the end of the year. Your child will be taking the Checkpoint A, and that will earn them a high school credit. Please check Parent Portal and Canvas for grades as often as you can. Alright, if you have any questions for me, please email me at at wfsd.k12.ny.us. And also, I put a remind code for each of the classes on your child's syllabus, and it's also posted on Canvas. All right, muchas gracias por su visita, and if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to call me, okay? Thank you very much, and be safe.